Hello friends, good morning. How are you? So in today's video I'm showing you these color box. This is a Fevicryl color box. I have got a new one and I'll show you. So you can see it's packed in a beautiful box and there are 10 sets. So here you see these are the sets, and yes, one thing is here you get a color chart of what the colors you will get by mixing. This is cream sun and lemon yellow. When you mix it, it will be like orange, and you must be knowing some of these, but this is very helpful when you have at hand and you are doing some paintings. So this yellow and black will get yellow ochre. So you can see this is only 10 colors, and the other sets you can make by using this. On the back side you see there is a beautiful picture. It's a drawing, and so you can start from here. It's a very simple one, and you can take reference from here. This is a simple landscape. Yes, I like it. Yeah, this is a very good one, but I'm not doing it right now because it will take some time and it's full stop. You can try it. Okay, this is acrylic from Pidilite. How you like it? I hope you enjoy watching. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.